Hello everyone, welcome to IES Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic of the day is ICGS Sankalp's port call at Port Louis, Mauritius as a part of overseas deployment in Indian Ocean region. Indian Coast Guard ship ICGS Sankalp, an offshore patrol vessel, arrived at Port Louis, Mauritius on January 17, 2026 as part of its ongoing overseas deployment on friendly foreign countries in the Indian Ocean region. The visit reflects India's continued commitment to strengthening maritime cooperation, enhancing interoperability, and further deepening bilateral ties with Mauritius. The deployment is in line with India's maritime vision of Sagar, security and growth for all in the region, which seeks to promote regional maritime safety, security, and environmental protection. In keeping with the Indian Coast Guard's emphasis on gender inclusivity, in maritime operations, two women officers are embarked on board ICGS Sankalp, underscoring their expanding role in the service and India's commitment to women empowerment in the maritime domain. During its stay at Port Louis, the ship will undertake a series of professional interactions with the National Coast Guard of Mauritius and other maritime agencies in Mauritius. These interactions are aimed at sharing best practices and strengthening cooperation in key operational domains. A comprehensive training program has been planned, including sea and harbor drills, oil pollution response exercises, damage control (NBCD) exercises, as well as firefighting drills. The training activities will also include visit, board, search and seizure (VBCC), joint training, navigation bridge and machinery control room (MCR) integration drills to enhance operational coordination and readiness. In addition to operational engagements, the port call will feature friendly sports fixture and cultural exchanges to promote camaraderie and people-to-people connect. The crew will also participate in community service activities, reflecting India's approach of constructive outreach and goodwill. The visit will further provide an opportunity to showcase India's indigenous shipbuilding capabilities, supporting the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The visit of ICGS Sankalp reinforces India's role as a reliable maritime partner in the Indian Ocean region and highlights the Indian Coast Guard's commitment to maritime safety, security, capacity building, and environmental protection. While strengthening bilateral relations with Mauritius, on completion of its visit to Mauritius, ICGS Sankalp will sail for Seychelles as part of its continuing overseas deployment in the Indian Ocean region, further expanding India's maritime outreach and cooperation with key island nations. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.